This looks like a regular bait and tackle store, but it actually has a thrift store in the back of it. If you walk just right past all of this boring fishing stuff, there's this really, really cool little thrift store back here. We have been here before, and I sat and looked through everything in this thrift store. That was about a year ago. Now that we're back, there are a few new things that I had to check out. A lot of it really is kind of honestly the same stuff, but there are these nice little camping chairs we're thinking about getting, and cute cabin decor as well. Holy cow. And this basket I wanted to get last year, but oh my goodness, look at this. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. That is very cute.
AQUA-VU if you can. Thank you.
That is our little fishing village. One of the family's fish houses actually has a dish on the top of it.
Which for the app is saying it's like 19%.
I'm not sure.
Winter out. I see skin.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
I see skin.
Ooh. That's a nice fish, I gotta say.
I was gonna say.
I'm sorry I said that Angie was out fishing you.
She usually. I always give her the best hold. I park it right in the best spot for her. That's why she gets so many fish.
Right.
You don't agree, honey? No.
Oh, just a little guy. I was amazed by how many fish we were catching. A lot of them were small, but it's still fun just to go fishing and actually catch something. I'm used to going fishing on my own a lot, and when I'm solo camping or just doing things on my own, and I never really catch anything, so I always think it's kind of boring, but there was so much action going on. I had to go check out another one of the fish houses. This one is just a lot more straightforward, super warm, but just a whole bunch of holes to fish in, and even a TV for watching TV. This is the fish house that has the dish on top, so you can watch some good TV in here if you want to while you're fishing. The boys really like fishing in here and hanging out and talking while the adults are in other fish houses. Right now, Ethan's the first one here and kind of doing his own thing, but he does have cousins and they'll be here eventually. What more could you ask for? That easy. Meanwhile, Cory and Joe were trying to cut a hole in the ice for spearing. It was difficult because the ice is so thick. It's actually, the ice is thicker than the length of the chainsaw by just a little bit. They used a pole and an auger and a chainsaw. Eventually they did get the ice block out. Come back. Oh, I got a fish.
Good deal.
Good job. Just a little guy. Come here. Like little. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Did you spear that?
You got somebody that's cleaning these, pickling them or something? Oh, hello.
Oh, I got a fish.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Really?
no, that one. It's gone. Oh, look at him. Oh, you're kind of pretty, actually. Got fish. Hello. Oh my goodness, this is the littlest one ever. I went out to check on Cory and see how he was doing and was surprised to see that he had abandoned his initial hole and the chairs and some of the mats along with it. I guess they moved because that hole was a little bit too deep and they wanted really badly to spear some fish, so they made a new hole and Ethan came and sat in here for a while, but mostly Cory just sat in here. Nice job, Natalie.
Yay! Good job, you got one, yay!
I gotta tell you, putting a camera down the hole and watching the fish swim around the lure or the worm makes this a whole different experience and kind of, in a way, like more frustrating because you can watch them just stare at it.
Hey, ready?
Is it on? Yeah, don't trust me, dear.
Let me make the post it.
4 pounds, 9 or 10 ounces.
4 pounds, 10 ounces. That's a nice fish.
Oh my god, a 5-pound bass. Holy crap. This thing. I found some food to eat.
That's hilarious. Oh, he just spit something out.
Well, the one right behind his fin nibbled on it. And
Oh.
I'm like, sure, you're gonna ruin her shot, aren't you?
Oh, oh. Catch it, catch it.
There's something down there. Stop running. Ready?
Yeah. What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
It's coming. Messy. Up in the hole. Come on. There you
Holy
go.
cowza! Nice fish. Oh. Oh, just a little one. This fishing trip happened right before my birthday, so Cory's sister was sweet and made me this beautiful, beautiful cake that was then devoured by all of us. It was a smash cake, so yes, I'm an adult, but I smashed the cake and everybody kind of just devoured it together. It was delicious and beautiful, and thank you so much.
Oh, I just. How am I supposed to film without sitting here?
Okay, are we putting it in a pack or bag or anything, or just like that?
Put it in the bag or just leave it.
Nah.
Hey. Joe's setting another tip up over there.
Okay, now what? Here?
Alright, yeah, now we just load everything into the truck and
You're so strong.
It helps when they're little pieces.
That's not little.
These are smaller than the other ones. Nicely.
How deep do you think the ice is?
Oh gosh, that's all of 2 feet. Maybe more.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Of course, it's not gonna sit right.
That's not the worst. Probably almost fine just like that.
Probably.
This one will probably push it down more. I think that works just fine.
Just leave it like that.
Yeah, I think the sides will freeze up. Today's been really fun.
Table.
Nice
Quick.
fish.
Take a picture.